Hey Sabbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl G the Scary Thing, and today I'm back with another video. Yes. So for guys to this video, I want you guys to like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be the first to get notified until I upload a new video like this. Yes. Also for my social media down below in the description box, everything is down there. So feel free to go down there and check it out because baby, everything is down there. So we're making Cheetos Mac and Cheese. This is the jalapeno one, cheesy jalapeno. And we're making the bold and cheesy one. 29, which is 29. I'll upload the video today exact, which is 29. I'll catch you guys later. So y'all, so this is everything. My mac and cheese. So hey subbies, yeah, it is about hours later. Time check, it is 9:52 p.m. Yes, December 29, and I uploaded 2 videos today. So one for like 8 something and one for like 9 something, 9:05. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna have a treat. So I got my bowl here. It is 9:55. I'll show y'all. It's 9:55 and we're prepping a movie snack. This is a movie snack. Duh. So obviously I'm gonna eat it all. I'm gonna take y'all in the room with me so we can watch the movie together. Yes, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Do all of those good things. Yes.